So the first thing to do with this sequence is decide, is this a geometric or an arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic means that we add the same amount each time. Geometric means we multiply by the same amount each time to get to the new term. With this one, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller pretty rapidly, so I don't think that something's being added each time. In fact, it looks like it's being multiplied by a fraction. To find out what fraction that is, divide two of these terms. So if I take a 0.4 and divide by 2, then that would be a 0.2 or a 1/5. So I'm going to use the fraction 1/5. And I just want to double check. So take a 2, multiply by 1/5, that's the 0.4, and now take the 0.4 and multiply by 1/5, and we should get 0.08. Okay, so the 1/5 is correct. And now find the sum. So we can use the formula that the sum of the first 20 terms is going to be the first term, and then 1 minus this r raised to the 20 divided by 1 minus r. So it should be the sum of the first 20 terms is going to be the first term 2, and then the 1/5 is raised to the 20th power, and 1 minus 1/5. So that's 2. So make sure that 1/5 is in parentheses, so it's raised to the 20th power. There's the numerator, divided by, and then the denominator in parentheses, 1 minus 1/5, a 2.5. And then we can have the calculator check, do the sum, sequence, and it's 2 that gets multiplied with a 1/5 repeatedly, and then it gets raised to the x minus 1. So in general I've got that this is the general term for the sequence. It starts with a 2, and then it gets multiplied with 1/5 each time, and then I have to subtract 1 because the first time when I use a 1, I want this 1/5 to disappear, leaving just the 2. So when I substitute a 1 in here for the first term, it's going to say 1/5 to the 0. That'll be gone. I'll just have the 2. So there's my general formula for the sequence. And then I need to tell the calculator that x is the variable and have it go from the first to the 20th term. And do we get 2.5? Yes, it's right.